Hello from Slovenia again. It's Monday, new week again, and I'm filming this today, so no dried results today. I will show them on the next video, and I mixed up some of those metallic paints that I ordered. They're European brand, it's called Composite. But they look so nice. This is red wine, antique bronze, light gold, and bronze. Yeah, and bronze. And I will do a reverse flower dip on the black background because I like those metallics on the black. I have my flower shaped cup, and I also mixed some pearl white. This is Vallejo pearl medium, titanium white, and my pouring medium today is Owatrol Floetrol, and this is the consistency. I really am not sure if we will get some lacing or something, but if you don't try, you don't know, as I say a lot of times. So I will pour my black base down. I will spread it out off camera, tilting it back to the cup to make a nice smooth layer of black. Okay, so my black base is down, and for those who maybe ask yourself, if you know me longer, why I don't use my Bessner binder, Gardy binder and emulsion anymore, because they changed the formula and it's totally different product, and I hate this because yeah, it's still a binder, but it doesn't create anything. So yeah, okay, I put my flower shaped cup down, and I will start with some pearl white. Okie doke. And I will use dry paper napkin today. So I have my paper napkin. I will put it down to the other side. I hope that this is not a mistake, but these napkins, they are not the same either. I hate that thing, you know, that you find some things that they really work and then they discontinue it. I see this a lot lately in all the fields, not just in art and in fluid art. You know, it's so important. If you change one ingredient, it can be total different product. So yeah, okie doke. So I will just lift it up. No reaction whatsoever. Just some little bubbles around. My torch and maybe it will start creating some effects, or maybe not. See? Maybe it's okay to have it just on the outside. I will wait for a second. In the meantime, I can add a little bit of black here on the corners where I see that my napkin kind of pulled the paint off the canvas. Okay. I'm okay with that, so yeah, we will leave it to dry. You see that it's a little bit like that. That's what happens when I use dry paper napkin, not the wet one, because it kind of, it's hard to lift it the way that it will be nice. So you see some effects on the outside, but not like in all the petals, or how can I say, but it's a cute flower anyway, and I'm pretty sure it will dry nice because there are all metallics except black. So we will see on my next video how it will dry. Since I have these colors mixed, I will do probably some other techniques with them too. For this week, let's play with this metallic color palette. Yeah. Okay, so the dried results on my next video, and thanks for being here. Tell me what you think about this reaction with Owatrol Floetrol. see you again on the next one. Bye!